What is considered a breach of contract in property management? Imagine you're managing a property and suddenly face a situation where one side isn't holding up their end of the bargain. What exactly counts as breaking the rules in property management? Well, a breach of contract happens when either the landlord, property manager, or tenant fails to do what they promised in the agreement. This can lead to serious legal and financial issues if not handled properly. For example, if a property manager doesn't keep the property in good shape, like ignoring leaks or broken heating systems after being notified, that is a breach. Tenants have the right to a safe, livable space, and neglecting repairs violates that obligation. Another common breach is entering a tenant's unit without proper notice. Lease agreements usually requiring landlords or managers to give at least 24 hours notice before entering, except in emergencies. Skipping this step invades the tenant's privacy and breaks the contract. Late rent payments are also considered breaches. If tenants don't pay on time, or if landlords or property managers don't disperse funds as agreed, that can cause legal trouble. Failing to perform specific duties outlined in the management contract, like handling tenant complaints or managing repairs, is another breach. Property managers who neglect their responsibilities risk losing the agreement altogether. A serious breach, called repudiatory or fundamental breach, happens when one party completely stops fulfilling their duties. For instance, if a property manager stops managing the property entirely or a landlord abandons it, the other side can end the contract and seek damages. Breaches can also involve violating specific clauses in the contract, such as deadlines for repairs or restrictions on property use. To avoid these issues, property managers should clearly understand their responsibilities and keep detailed records of repairs, communications, and payments. Always give proper notice before entering a rental unit and respect tenant privacy. If a breach occurs, acting quickly to notify involved parties and seeking legal advice can help resolve the problem smoothly. Recognizing what counts as a breach and taking steps to prevent it keeps the management process running smoothly and helps protect everyone involved from costly disputes.